Greetings, Bissell fans, especially El Cheapo Bissell fans. That's right, if you want to get some of the most inexpensive bagless and bag machines today, go and get yourself a Bissell. So on the left, we have the Powerforce Compact, and the changes that I've made to it in the few years that I've owned it is I recently redid the brush roll bearings. It's not really going to change all that much except for the additional quietness that it now exudes. And I took the squeegee off of the rear of the power nozzle, the rug plate. So with that squeegee installed, it's just really hard to push that thing evenly, and also it just requires, I think, unnecessary effort. So the squeegee has been retired, and that may affect some of these tests. We're going to do a sand test, and we're going to do a fine dust baking soda test. So there might be some differences, but I tell you what, one of the differences, one of the improvements that you get when you remove the squeegee is it certainly makes it much more usable on carpet. So we're not doing bare floor tests. And on the right, we have the Powerforce bagged. This was a wonderful donation by Thomas Rechtenwald. The machine is essentially brand new, and you can use a wide variety of bags in it. And I'm going to use a Clean Fairy HEPA bag. I just remembered that this weighs less than 500 grams, so I don't need to use that scale that can handle up to 3,000. That's kind of convenient. Let's move the 2 trays of 5 grams of sand. And let's see what this Powerforce Compact empty bin weight is. All right, I'm seeing 265.76. And now, let's see if we can weigh this Clean Fairy bag right here. After I zero the scale out. And the initial weight will be, so you can see it. Oh, good. 48.64 grams. Let's see how it measures. Get you in closer. We see some. Not much. Okay, raw bin weight. Much easier to push now. That squeegee just does not help with carpet. It just really doesn't. So I'm kind of happy to see it go. Okay, we ended up with 266.81. And if I subtract 265.76, we have a little over 1 gram. There's the ratio, and that obviously is 21%. Okay, now that's the raw bin pickup. Now, let's see what we can get out of the bin. A little bit more. All right, so what we got out of the bin is a little less than a gram, 0.9 divided by 5, and we can easily see that that is 18%. Okie dokie. Now, on to the bag machine. Let's see if it's any better. I guess it bends better that way. Ooh, nice glare. Nice glare. Let me take care of that. That's better. Overhead light bulb. Okay. See, can you see that at all? I can't really see it either. Let me come back a little bit. Okay, I'm seeing 49.72. So let's see, 49.72 minus, 71. All right, I'll call, no, all right, 49.72. Good enough. 49.72 minus 48.64. And, look at that, 1.07. Okay, out of 5. Gee, it's the same 21%. That's funny. So this is 2 cycles, right? And there will be differences in machines from 2 cycles to, say, 5 cycles to 10 cycles. And years ago, if you were with my channel back in 2017, I did 60 cycles. Oh, 120 individual passes over the same spot of carpet. Geez, these things were so boring. All right, so let's go and sum these 2 machines up. On the left, the never fails to impress Powerforce compact bagless machine. 21% raw, 18% extracted. The current running average for bagless machines extracted is 19%. So that means this machine that's so cheap, you have a choice. Go to Walmart, buy one on sale for, I don't know, 25 bucks, something like that if they have a sale, or get a 6-pack of HEPA bags for your bag machine. It's just, it's absolutely amazing. I mean, most people, especially the Bissell haters out there, figure machines like this simply just can't pick up anything because they're so inexpensive. And this compact, especially considering it's so cheap, does a fantastic job. Average results from probably the cheapest machine sold in the United States that's bagless that I've ever seen. By the way, the 10 cycle pickup with this, 60%. Okay, moving on to the bagged machine. Somewhat disappointing results. So 21% pickup from the Clean Fairy HEPA bag. The average in the bagged category, well, obviously it's going to kind of get crushed, is 34%. And if you look at the 10 cycle tests from way back when, about 57%. So the funny thing is both of these machines right here, bagless and bagged, as far as sand goes on media pile carpet, do about the same. Whether it's 2 cycles or all the way up to 10 cycles, they're pretty much neck and neck. Okay, so I've got still an awful lot of sand to get out of that carpet. What machine haven't I showed you in a while that has some pretty good sand pickup? Look at all that sand. That is a lot of sand. Isn't that amazing? There and there. That is a lot of sand. Yeesh. Let's see what happens if I put this on floor. Will this pick it up?